Gigi's having a big stretch. He's a bit annoyed because he was sunbathing a moment ago. And now look at the weather again. We're having one of those days today. One minute it's sun shining, the next minute it's doing this. Those of you in Texas who would like some rain, please, please, please take some of ours. Yeah, 5 minutes ago we were sunbathing. Look at it now. This is what it's been like all morning, isn't it, Gigi? Grey puppet. Oh, where is he? Just don't take a look at the mess we've got. There he is. Hi, Gigi. You're not going to sit here, you're going to come to me. Oh, listen, it's getting worse. Oh, yes. Isn't it gorgeous? Not. Gigi is looking backwards at the window in absolute disgust. Because he's saying, when can I go out outside? When is it going to stop all this? I'm so glad I got my food delivered. There you go, see now it's stopping. Now it's stopping. Come here, Gigi. Gigi. Gigi's got that very forlorn look on his face, like, you know, come on. I was sunbathing 2 seconds ago. And now he's sulking. Look, he's got his back to me now. What are you doing, Gigi? Gigi. No. That's a full-on sulk. Full-on sulk. It's stopping now, can you hear it? It's just pittering now. Oh dear. It's the drain you can hear. Oops, let me get up again. Yeah, it's still raining. The noise you can hear is the drain going down into the drain. Well, it smells lovely and fresh out here, as the gardener came yesterday and did all the garden for me. As you can see, there's water in the tarpaulin that's supposed to be covering the spare garden furniture, but it's not, so it's probably wet through. Like my one and only chair. You can still see the rain pattering on the table. No church bells today. That's the church in the distance that makes all the noise. Right. I just thought you might like to watch the rain again. For those of you who don't have any, please take this. Because we are getting fed up with it. Oh, here we go again. Here we go again. I think this is going to be it for the day. I don't think we're going to get any crocheting on the deck today. So I'm going to leave you now and try and tidy up in here and get some crocheting done indoors. So bye for now.